Hey guys, today's video is going to be a really simple and easy way to add color to your eyeshadow looks. Today we're using the Makeup Revolution Neon Heat Palette, and this is the only palette that I'm using. Very nice, a lot of shimmers and a lot of colors. So the first way that we can add color to our eyeshadow look is by adding a nice pop of color to the inner corner of your eye. So you can do any eyeshadow look at all, any kind of basic neutral thing going on your lids, and then just add a really nice pop of shimmer or pop of color in the inner corner. Super easy to do. And the next way, you can go ahead and add some color onto your waterline. So I'm taking this really flat brush and I'm actually using eyeshadow as well. I don't have that many colored eyeliners that I can use in my waterline, but this is a very easy way to use your eyeshadow as eyeliner. Just make sure you don't get it into your eyes, and I use this brush to make it a little bit easier for myself. This is what it looks like. You can go with a bare lid or do anything you want on the top, and then just add a nice pop of color that complements whatever you're wearing. The next way is with some concealer, and this is also using eyeshadow. So basically you're just going to create a wing of eyeshadow of any color that you want to do. So I'm using the same brush and I'm using some concealer, and I'm just kind of outlining my wing with the concealer that I'm going to go ahead and fill in later on with the eyeshadow of my choice, whatever color you want to use. This is just a really easy way to get the most out of your eyeshadow and use any color that you have. I do not have, like I said, a bunch of different colored eyeliners, which is kind of surprising, but this is an easy way to get around that and use what you already have. So here I'm just filling in the concealer wing liner with some green eyeshadow, and this actually looks really good on brown eyes. And like I said, you can use any color you want, and with this brush it is super easy to fill in the eyeshadow or like in the wing. And then I'm also just cleaning it up at the outer corners with this concealer brush, and this is just going to clean it up and make it look symmetrical, and this is the final look. Like I said, you can use any color that you want, and you can even do any neutral type of eyeshadow look along with this colored wing. And the next way is to add some graphic liner to your look. So this is more of like an edgy and a little bit more of a complicated thing, but it still looks very simple. Even the most simple graphic liner look or design is just really pretty anyway. So usually you want to go in with a bare lid with this, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Hydra Liner, where you just add water to it and then you can use it as a liner. If you are going for a graphic liner look, I definitely suggest using a really long and thin brush like I'm using here. It just makes it so much easier to create some really nice clean lines. And I actually kind of got some into my crease and it was kind of doubling, so I decided to go with it and just extend that line. And this is the look that I created. Super easy, it's super simple, but it still has a very big statement. So definitely practice with this if you are going in with graphic liner, but I highly suggest trying it out. And the last look that I have here is just to create a regular wing with your regular black liner like I'm doing here, and then the pop of color comes in on top of that. And I'm also going in with another Hydra Liner from Makeup Revolution. So I really love Hydra Liners. You just add water on the brush and then you go ahead and you paint it on. Super easy to do, and like I said, you should definitely use a nice long thin brush to get a really nice clean and thin line, and then you can just go over it and perfect it as you go. And makeup is very easy to fix, so don't worry if it's not perfect in practice, for sure. So you can use any color like I keep saying, and I just added this kind of double wing, and this is a very interesting and cute and easy and simple way to add color to your eyeshadow look. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!